Hi, my name is Trinidad. I'm the Awareness Officer of the Ready Together program from the PIRAC, French Red Cross. In the framework of an awareness campaign, I came here on a mission to St. Lucia to visit some initiatives that are working towards climate change adaptation. What's the size of the mangrove area here?
I'd say it should be more than an acre.
Today, thanks to our operational partner, the OECS, I visit 3 different initiatives and projects that the community is doing here. What type of mangroves are here?
You definitely have red and white.
Part of the project is that we put an interpretation center. When people come, you will get a history of ancillary and the mangrove.
When the flood came, have you seen the difference?
2 weeks after we did that, we had heavy rain.
Okay.
And a gentleman said, it was not us that did it, it was God that did that. It proved to be so effective against the flooding. Since we've done that, the water bullets are back.
It was really interesting to know how people are finding solutions to adapt to climate change.